Okay guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make clear backgrounds yet again. This is like version 2 of my first one, because some of you guys did not understand how to do it. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make it totally clear with nothing there. So yeah, so what we want to do is get rid of this phone because it does not work on Apple devices, sadly. It only works on Android. What you want to do is like take a screenshot. There we go. Take a screenshot, right? And download this app right here. Right here. Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop Mix. Right there, there's a name. What we want to do is get your picture, right? Device, and just get your picture. Right there. So what I'm gonna do is cut out picture, subtract, and swipe this whole thing. You can do this with like star backgrounds, anything you want. But today I'm going to show you how to make it totally clear with nothing. Make sure you go around here a few times. As you can tell, it shows you where you need to cut out. And there's a little pot right there. And what you guys want to do is press that check button right there. And what you want to do is press the 3 dots right there. Press save the gallery. As you can tell, if you don't have an iPhone, you can go to the store, download TikTok on one of their phones and this app, and you can do it there. But it's sad they can't do it on Apple devices. What you want to do is tap on your photo, press change, select from gallery, and as you can tell, it should look like that. That's what my other one looks like. And press confirm, and let's press save right here, save. And then what you guys want to do is wait for that to upload, and it should be uploaded. Good. So what you want to do is cancel out this app right here, put that away, it won't directly show up on there. What we want to do is get your iPhone, close out the app, and then go back to TikTok, right? And go back to TikTok. It should be nothing up there. Clear. You see it? So please guys, please subscribe and like this video, because I'm going to be trying to make videos every single day, but that's not going to happen. But please subscribe, like the video. Peace.